Hey JV partners, welcome to this JV page. My name is John Josiah, founder of Perpetual Income 365. And this year we'll be launching Perpetual Income version 3.1, which is going to be even bigger and better. So what's in for your customers? Now your customers will be getting our flagship product, and this time around they'll be getting the upgraded version of every single feature, function, and software, right? And they are also going to be getting brand new pages, and this time around the load speed of each page is going to be doubly fast, okay? And we have over 450 plus written testimonials by real members who have made money online using our software. We even have members making over $20,000 a month just by using Perpetual Income 365. We have a team of dedicated community managers, and we have a fully functional 24 hours support and live chat dedicated just for your customers so that they get the help they need whenever they are in doubt. So that's in for your customers, and you can be rest assured that your customers will have full support and a top quality product with us. So what's in for you as an affiliate? Now, ever since inception, Perpetual Income 365 has paid over $2.5 million in affiliate commissions, and we have a record of being the #1 e-business product for 9 months straight in ClickBank alone. And our average dollar per sale is at $417 for a $9 entry fee. All right, hear that right, $417 average per sale for a $9 entry fee. So you can really bet on getting the best bang of your buck when you start promoting Perpetual Income 365. And what's more, we have got a recurring element in there where you get rebilled every single month. And that means one-time effort and monthly recurring income. Now, you can also expect to see brand new landing pages. In fact, we have 3 new high converting landing pages that we have created with fresh hooks for you guys on this coming launch. Okay? And do note that this is a ClickBank launch, all right? So please make sure that you have your ClickBank ID ready, and I'll be sure to reciprocate hard on your next launch. Okay, you can check out all of my reciprocal efforts down in this page, and all of your affiliate tools will be down on this page. So remember to sign up for the launch, sign up for your affiliate tools, all right? And I'll see you on the big launch. That's all I have. Take care. Grab your links below, grab your tools below, and I'll see you on the launch.